How to enable confidential mode in Gmail. In this video, I'll show you how to enable confidential mode in Gmail. Confidential mode helps protect sensitive emails by allowing you to set an expiration date and, if needed, require an SMS passcode for recipients. Start by opening the Gmail app on your Android phone or iPhone. Tap the Compose button to create a new email. Then tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Confidential Mode. Next, turn on Confidential Mode. Choose an expiration date and select whether to require an SMS passcode for recipients. Once you've finished, tap Done. Compose your email as usual, then tap Send. Your email will be sent with the confidential mode settings you selected. That's it! You've successfully enabled confidential mode in Gmail, helping keep your sensitive emails more secure. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.